Hey guys, welcome back to Games.Tech, and today we'll be doing an interesting unboxing on my channel. So this is the box we'll be unboxing today. So by the look of things, this one looks like it's come from Flipkart by the yellow thing. Okay, obviously it says over there, so you guys can see it right there. It says right there that's from Flipkart. So seems interesting and seems quite big. So what could it be? Could be a GTX 1060, 1070, 1080, or the cheaper end 1050. I don't know, or maybe the 1070 Ti. Let's see what's in the box, shall we? So for the provoke of things, I've already opened this thing up, so I cannot show any knives or any dangerous items in the channel. Although knife is not so dangerous, but some do consider it as dangerous. So I don't want to show any sharp things in my channel. Alright, let's get to it. So, okay. Yep. My name size. I want to show my address. Oh, okay. So it's none of the GTX 1060, 1050 things. By the look of things, this one looks like it's come from Puma. Interesting. But what tech could it be? So, as I told you, it isn't a 1060, a 1050, a 1080, or a 1070, or 1070 Ti, or 1080 Ti, whatever. It's not a graphics card. Really looked like a graphics card, but it isn't. So looks like it's from Puma. So what is it? Looks like it's got some bad packaging right up here. That's bad. Flipkart. That's bad. That's bad. Alright, so let's open this thing up. I don't want to look at it first, so I'm gonna see you guys. I'm gonna show it to you guys first, and I'm gonna see it later on. Alright, ready?
Here we go.
Get out of this. There's a damn Amazon box inside of a... What? It says Flipkart right there. And there's a freaking damn Amazon that's in on here. Okay, so seems like I was just pranking you guys. Holy, this is a box of my old shoes from Puma that I got from Flipkart. Although I do want to address something. Flipkart, you're good, but this shouldn't be a package. This is just something Flipkart has to see. This shouldn't be a packaging. I'm serious. This looks like there's a mouse bitten over there while it's on packaging, or some kind of shipment guy just peeked through, even though the cover isn't torn in any way, but I tore it first. So I want to address that one thing, but that was all a joke. That was all comedy. The main thing is this. I didn't order it from Flipkart. I ordered my packaging from Amazon. Although it is interesting, but it's old. But it's interesting though for me, because you'll get to know. I don't want to show the secret so soon, do I? Okay, that's quite easy, because I've already opened it. Okay, so seems like we got some kind of a boxy finish to it. I'm gonna let you guys see it. What do you guys think is in that cover? Do you guys see anything inside? Unwrap it, or I'm unwrap it. Let's get it out of the box. Ooh, okay, it's this. It's this one I ordered. As you can see from the bubble wrap, I'm not gonna show it without the bubble wrap. It's gonna come up soon, but not quite yet. By the look of things, at least you guys can see what. At least you guys can see that. Anything ring to your bells? Nothing? Okay. Let's unbox it then. You guys still didn't get the ring. How's that? Yep. My guys, that's the original copy of even though I've played this game on the PC, I want to look at how this game runs on the PS3. Is it going to be any good? Is the performance going to be any good? Obviously it's not going to be. It's going to be run at 30 frames per second at 720p. Obviously that's not remarkable, but I can get the full couch potato feel, which means that I'm going to go and play this while I'm sitting on my couch nice and chill. Because when you have to play on a PC, you guys know you gotta sit on a desk and look at a monitor, not at a TV. Whereas while you buy the consoles, you can look at the TV rather than, you know, looking at the freaking monitor instead of looking at the TV. Whatever. I hope you guys get it, man. All right, please do. So yeah, I ordered the exclusive title. What it means is that it includes 60 minutes of exclusive gameplay. I don't know what that means. I gotta go check it out. So before we check it out, let's unbox the box. Got a bunch of tweezers because I couldn't find a knife. I'm not gonna use a kitchen knife for this freaking damn unboxing. You guys know how it works. You ain't gonna use a freaking kitchen knife for unboxing. It's gotta be quality. Okay. You know what? Grand Theft Auto 5 PS3 had a satisfying cover, and this. It was way better to open and way easy, but I still tore the wrapper to open the game because I was so hyped when I got it. Grand Theft Auto had something like a sleeve kind of with a glue plastic thing, so you can just peel it off one by one and just remove the disc out, the case out, the disc case out. So, seems like we've officially removed the package of remove the shrink wrap from the package. What does it say? Okay, never mind. It just says, why is it Microsoft? What the hell? This is Sony, not Microsoft Xbox. Guys, just look at this. Look what it says. Okay, I'm gonna read out what it says. It says manufactured by Microsoft Corporation, One Microsoft Way. What does it mean, Sony? Are you cheating on us? What do you guys mean by that? What? Okay. Let's just get into the box. Okay. So by the overlook of things, we got some kind of rating from IGN which says remarkable in quotes. And it says hacking is your weapon. Obviously, that's what Watch Dogs is for. I didn't get the very same layout on the PC version of this, so this is something new on the back. This is not on the front, except this box. Everything was the same. Just leave this. It was just written Windows, and except this, it was all the same. But on the back, it's totally different from what I had. What you get on the PS3 is player 1, network players 2 to 4, required hard disk space 9 GB. Although it's not 9 GB, you gotta download the extra stuff. But for me, I'm lucky that I got the exclusive edition and the latest edition, because the older editions of PS3 had a black bar or a red bar to notify this. But this is a 2017 this is a 2017 PS3 version, so everything comes on blue. So yeah, this contains all the updates. You don't have to go and update anything. I got it from Amazon, so thanks Amazon. Let's unbox the box. Okay, so oh yeah, that's the disc. These are some paperwork. I might looking through. So exclusive content, what does it mean? Untouchable, unique skin and weapon. Okay. See Watch Dogs through T-Bone's eyes in an exciting campaign with new hacks. Okay, that's interesting. New settings and new storyline. New mind-bending digital trip. Okay. You guys, I'm gonna show you something about digital trips. That's pretty interesting. I'm gonna show you that, alright? More single player side missions, weapons, and skins. So that's all there is to it when it comes to exclusive edition on the Watch Dogs. This is the front of the disc. It says Watch Dogs PS3. What else are you gonna read? It's all the same. I gotta mind my language. So required hard disk space 9 GB and HD output is 480p or 720p, dual shock 3 compatible, and a headset compatible. So, warning: if you have history of epilepsy or seizures, consult a doctor before use. Certain patterns may trigger seizure with no prior history before using, and for more details see instructions for product. Okay, I have no history of epilepsy or seizures, so I'm good to play this game. So I'm gonna play this game. So let's load up some gameplay.
Okay, I'm in the lobby of the Merlot.
All right, let's do it.
I'm hacking in.
Look at that. Secrets and lies floating in a cloud of data. I just reach out, pluck it from the sky, and it's mine.
It's ours. Stay focused. You got a nasty security system. How much we got?
100 grand in 30 seconds. God bless the rich and famous. We are the modern day magicians, siphoning bank accounts out of thin air. Do you hear yourself? What was that? Hello. I think someone else is hacking in. Let's take a peek. Let's not.
Stick to the plan, Damien.
Siphon the accounts and get out. Adventure, my boy. Have faith in your mentor. Something triggered that alarm. Let's find it. Shit. You're scanning the system. I'm almost there.
I'm shutting down now.
Don't you touch a thing. What the hell is that?
We need to abort.
We are not done. Help me.
Damien, it's over. I'm disconnecting.
Maurice.
Yeah?
You're on. One of our contractors ran a search for the hackers in the Merlot job. You're assigned Aiden Pierce. Take him out. Hit the family if you need to. This guy's hacking days are done.
Hit the family?
Got a problem?
Nope. Husky, I'm good. You'll never hear from him again.
So I hope you guys enjoyed my first unbox on this channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I'm your host Raj. I'm signing off. Peace. Hey guys, welcome back to Games Out Tech, and today we'll be damn shit, I knew it!